Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your customer number on NatWest. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your web browser and type in natwest.com on the search bar and get into their official website. So right over here, if you go to all of the topics on top, you won't be able to find your number in any kind specific topic, right? So for that matter, you have to access the search icon on top right corner of the screen and type in customer number and simply search it up. You can see right over here you will be able to find these articles regarding it. You can see they've forgotten your online banking login, etc. Simply go ahead, tap on this particular article highlighted text. So here in the section, first thing that you can do is that you can come down over here, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see if you have forgotten your login details, don't worry, re-registering for online banking would do. So all you have to do is tap on this highlighted text again and then come over here and go through all of the steps regarding registering, which will be available over here for your online banking. Simply gonna go ahead, follow through the steps, and you will be able to re-register for you and get your number. If you don't want to go through this particular option, all you have to do is go back on top and simply go down to the bottom and choose to contact NatWest Support Center, which is right over here. You can go over here and contact them. One of their employee will let you know how you can simply contact them. Go to the need more help, it will simply let you know how you can solve your problem. And you also have their chat section with where you can simply chat with them online. Over here you can simply tap on this chat to Cora, which is simply their help assistant. You can go ahead, type in your concern over here, and then they will let you know how they can help you out with that. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.